How's it, T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. I apologize for not putting out a video last week. I had a lot of things going on. I couldn't find time to make a video. But today I'm here with a video for you, and we're talking about the Sabbat E12 Ultra. Now this is the first time we're discussing this on this channel, so don't blink. You don't want to miss anything. Let's get into it. Alright, this is the Sabbat E12 Ultra. Okay, charge time 1 hour 60 minutes. Talking time 6 hours. Version 5.0 quad core Bluetooth. That's good, stable for Bluetooth connection. aptX for audio decoding. CVC 8.0 for speech reduction, and 6-hour battery life. Let's open this and see what we got. All right, this is what you get in the box. A carry pouch. This is nice. Feels good too. Nice. USB Type-C charging cable, so fast charging. That could also mean wireless charging. I think it does mean wireless charging. Let's see. There's the manual. That should mean wireless charging. There we go. Wireless charging. Awesome. Different size ear tips. Some are red, some are green, and then there's this one. I wonder why that is though. Okay. And the charge case. Very, very shiny. And shiny means fingerprint magnet. Wow. Okay. All right. This is gonna drive me crazy because I can start to see fingerprints on things. Ugh. Anyways. All right. Nice charge case. Feels very good. Charging port with charge indicator. Little Sabbat right there. All right, let's pop these open. There it is. Okay, looks nice. Looks very nice. Really looks nice. Let's put that aside for a minute. Wow, this is cool. All right, all right, all right. Okay, you know how we do it on this channel. Before we go any further, let us do the shake test and see if it stays or if it falls out. That is going nowhere. Nice. That is good. That is very good. And you can feel that right there. All right, let's pop them out. Left. Let's put this aside for a bit. Okay, I like this design. I like the way it's curved to the side. I'm sure that is to make it fit properly in your ear. The charge plates are right on the surface, so you're not gonna miss it if you do put it in the charge case. Sometimes there's some earbuds, you put them in the charge case, you miss the charge plates because the charge plates are dug in. You know, that's not right. Okay, this looks good. I like the silver and black theme it has going on. That's cool. All right, let's do a fit test. Let's put this in our ear, put it up. I'm gonna put this on and see how it fits. Let's do a fit test. This is the right and this is the left, right? Yeah, there's the left. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. That is so comfortable. Very comfortable. Look at that. Look at that. So comfortable. Feels like someone took a mold of my ear and just used that to sculpt the earbud. It is so comfortable. Sits in perfectly. It is not irritating. It's not poking ears inside. It is very comfortable. Look at that. Wow, that is very comfortable. Like, shake your head and do vigorous stuff and it just sits. Wow, that is very comfortable. Nice. Okay. All right, let's pair these and let's see how they work. Let's pair them. Good. Okay, let's pair these. Get my phone. There we go. Bluetooth scanning. I think let's put this back in the case first. Back in the case. Take them out. Now, some people always make a mistake when it comes to pairing, and then only one ear pairs, and they complain about, oh, the other ear is can't hear anything out of it. Follow the instructions. Put them back in the case and take them out and give the earbuds time for them to link up before you pair. Now it's time to link them up. And there it is, pairing, paired. All right, that was great pairing. Let us play something and see how it sounds. Here we go. Ooh, that's loud. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let's go. Wow. 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 This is... Wow. let me take this up a bit. Woo. Wow. Impressive. Wow. Let's Wow. I am mighty impressed by these. Wow. Like, wow. Wow. The sound from this is amazing. It is... I always come across these things and then they really throw me off, because I get them and I'm expecting something to sound a certain kind of way and it sounds absolutely different. This was not what I was expecting from this. This sound is amazing. Wow. For a budget headset, this is amazing. I think I found my new daily driver. I've been using the Halo T17 and the Philips T80 1235 earbuds for my daily drivers. I use one for running, I use one for just playing music when I feel like listening to something. But this, I think this is gonna be my new one. Wow, this is amazing. It is clear, it is crisp, it is the bass. If you're a bass head, you are going to love this one. If you're a bass head, you're going to love this one. It is very good. This is amazing. No, this is a very good one to have. Wow. Well, I think I found a new daily driver. This is gonna be my new daily driver. This is amazing. Really surprised by this. Okay, let's go test the controls and see how they work. Woo! That was outstanding. Really outstanding. Okay, let's test controls. Pause and play on both. Let's take that a bit. Wow, loud. So pause and play, you click once on both right, either the right or the left earbud. Okay, for us to go to, let's increase the volume. To increase the volume on the right, you click 3 times. 3 times on the right to increase the volume. 3 times on the right to increase the volume. Then 3 times on the left to decrease the volume. 3 times on the left to decrease the volume. I love the response on this thing. Your other earbuds, you keep touching and you still don't get the necessary control right. But with this, you just click and it responds. Very good. For us to go to the next song, on the right, we click twice. Twice goes to the next song on the right. Awesome. And to go to the previous song on the left, you click twice. That is awesome. Now there are other controls on the manual that you have to look through if you do get it to use this earbuds. We're just gonna test these ones. Wow, this is amazing. I really like this. I think this is gonna be my next. This is going to be my next daily driver. This is really good. really, really good. I am impressed. I am very impressed. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use this for a while and then I'll tell you the things I observed about it. I will tell you my observations. Now, after using this for a while, these are my observations and I made a note. The battery life on this is great. You get 6 hours from using the earbud at medium volume and 24 hours extra from the charging case. So as a total, you get 30 hours. The call quality on this is great. It really, really impressed me. The sound is so clear and crisp. It is great. And the CVC 8.0 really, really helps to reduce the noise. It was fantastic. I think I'll give it a strong 8 out of 10. Charge time is 1 hour and very, very important. If you want this earbud to last, make sure you use a 5-volt 1-amp charging brick. Do not use a fast charging brick on this one. Do not do it. You'll destroy it. For some reason, the ear tips of this earbud adds to the sound production of the earbud. Some of them make it sound bass heavy, others make it sound crisp and clear. So take your time, go through the earbuds and see which one you like. It was a big surprise to me, or maybe it's just mine, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Just try it. It is amazing. Well, those are my observations. I know I'm leaving some things out. If there's something else you need to know, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Well, thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across the social media platforms. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing so we can grow. Leave a comment in the comment section. It's very important. I need to know what you think about these videos. We're still doing request videos. So if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.